We are looking at how to pronounce the name of newborn baby of Canadian singer Grimes and Tesla's CEO Elon Musk, spelt X-Ash A-12. It is unclear at this point if this is the actual name of the baby and how the parents will want it to be pronounced if it turns out to be. Congrats to Grimes and Elon in any case. Some have speculated it might be a code tweeted by Elon to say the name is Xavier. Others wonder if it might be a joke. For what we know or can speculate upon, this name could be pronounced as X, pretty straightforward. Then the letters A and E together is a Latin symbol known as an ash, whose sound is somewhere in between A and E, like an A in cat or bad. So A. And finally A-12, which in English would be said A-12. So overall X-A A-12. A-Xii A-12, A-Xii A-12 is as good a speculation on how to pronounce this name as we can make at this point. We'll find out soon, I'm sure. Links to reference articles used to make this video in the video description. Cheers!